About this item: LRGE capacity and organized. Say goodbye to your messy cable. Keep all your electronics accessories organized. Multiple pockets and elastic loop sleeve offer great flexibility for packing electronics accessories such as USB cable cord, cell phone, flash drive, wall charger, SD/TF card, hard drive, power bank, earbuds, clipper, mini camera. Portable and convenient, perfect for traveling, business, school, outdoor camping. Also, the travel electronics organizer bag could fit your briefcase, luggage, and backpack without taking much space. And travel wire organizer. The travel wire organizer is an ideal present for men, women, or back to school graduation. Presents DIY compartment. The tech pouch case with 3 removable adjustable padded dividers. Workflow, which you could design the layouts as you wish to keep all your electronic travel accessories in perfect order. Waterproof and protected. The tech organizer bag with waterproof and shockproof nylon material with the padded foam, which obstructs water and vapor effectively. Don't worry about wet from splashing water or rain. Heavy duty and anti-tear material offer all around to protect all things inside well against scratches, dust, impacts and accidental dropping. iPad storage case. One Laye has a padded storage case for iPad 9.7 inch/10.2 inch/10.5 inch/10.9 inch/11 inch. It compatible with the 9.7 inch 2018 iPad 6,